Hey, it's Wes, and today we're going to do a little maintenance on this treadmill right behind me, a Horizon T20. It's going to be very similar in a lot of other treadmills. We're going to do a belt lube on it. You're supposed to do it every 300 miles or every 3 months. I do it about once a year. I'm kind of lazy. I only run about 200 miles on this thing every year, so I don't run a ton, but I run a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and do a little belt maintenance on this. First, let's lift up the base and sweep underneath of it. Clean any dust out. Now we'll put it back down. Oh yeah, and while getting into the back of it, make sure to unplug your treadmill from the wall. Now there's 2 screws on each side we got to remove to take the cover on the back off. Okay, all the screws are out, so we should be able to remove it now. And there we go. Now we are going to go through and just sweep in here to get any dust out. Now we will take the belt tightening tool here and we're going to loosen the belt up on this. We'll have to turn it about 10 to 15 times. And make sure to remember the exact number you turn it, because as long as you go back to the same spot, you won't have to do much adjustments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we do the same on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now here's a nice little lube kit I bought off Amazon. There's the whole kit right there. So I have the bottle all set up now. All I had to do was screw this top on, and there was a seal in here I needed to break, which was pretty easy. It also has a nice little cap on top. So this will make it nice and easy to spread the silicone underneath the belt. So first up, I gotta lift the belt up here, and you can see I got some slack underneath this here, which will now allow this so we can squirt silicone underneath here. So I gave it a decent, generous squirt underneath there. I can hear it now. It's wet. I'm gonna do the same zigzag pattern over here I kind of did, just so each side of it's very wetted down. So here we go. I'm squirting, doing a nice zigzag pattern out to the edge here. There we go. Now we're going to take the treadmill tool again here and tighten it back up. Now all you got to do is just turn it the same amount of times you did undoing it. So we're going to do righty-tighty. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're good on that side. Now we got to do 15 righties on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And while you're tightening this, you should get it should become harder to tighten because you're building tension back up in this. And now the belt will not lift up because it's very tight on there. Yeah, you can see it's nice and tight. Now we're gonna put the back cover back on. Go. Now we will go ahead and turn it back on here. Now we are going to run the treadmill at 3 miles per hour for 3 minutes with nobody walking on it to break in the belt. Now we're going to do 3 minutes with me walking at 3 miles per hour. This will help spread the lube in the rest of the way. Now if you did mess up tightening your belt, it will drift from left to right here, and you will have to tweak these to kind of even it out so it stays in the center. But since I tightened it exactly, or loosened and retightened it exactly the same, it's running perfect. Thanks for watching another how-to video. I hope this helped you lube the belt on your treadmill. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. There'll be more videos like this in the future. And as always, whatever you decide to do, just get out there and do it.